Hello, I would like to present you an update with the burning birdhouse that I did in the previous two videos. I have not gotten to it yet. It is still in one piece, don't know how, but I will continue to burn it and record it for you guys, just because I'm like that.
And because my boyfriend's lame. And he has nothing else to do.
Yep.
What?
If you guys play Roblox,
Oh my god.
feel free to add me.
So lame.
Whoever this is, if you end up watching this video, shout out to you. Give it a like, comment if it's you, whatever.
My body different.
If this is you right here, fill it inside the video. Comment YOLO if you ever find this video.
You realize you're giving out someone else's username on Roblox, right?
Yes, I know. But hey, it's their fault for being in the sun.
I bet if you posted a video of me fucking twerking or some shit, you'd get views.
No, it would be demonetized. Actually.
What?
I can age restrict the videos. But no, I'm still not gonna do it.
I'm gonna say, why the fuck would you even...
But, yeah, if you guys play Roblox, feel free to add me. I like to play Phantom Forces quite a bit. So, if you play Roblox, feel free to add me. Play some Phantom Forces together, or whatever else. I don't even know. But, yeah, just a little update for you guys about the birdhouse. Still in one piece. Just haven't got to it yet. But when I do, I will record the burnage for you guys. Bye.
Adios.